Welcome. I hope everyone is well. And what we're going to go over today is from the clip that I actually posted on last week. And the response has been amazing. Thank you guys for all your comments. I really appreciate it. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to go over exactly what I played. I'm going to play it up to speed and then we'll break it down and go through the chords and everything so you guys can actually understand what I did. Okay. And the clip was in the key of D. Okay. So let's break this down. And I'm going to change the view so you guys can see my hands a little better. Okay. That should help you. All right. Like I said, it was in the key of D. And what we're going to do is going to start out with pretty much like a country D. We'll hear that a lot in country. But what I'm playing is a D, open D on my D string. On the second fret, on the G string, I'm playing an A. And then on the third fret, with my middle finger, I'm playing a D. So we have D-A-D, which is dad. See that? Okay. Then I'm going to change my ring finger on that B string. Then I'm going to the second fret on the A string. Oh, excuse me, the third fret I should say, which is the C. See that C right there? That's the third fret on the second string. But I'm gonna play the G string open and then play that D. See that? Get that open sound. And then I'm going to the B with my index finger with the open G with the D still there. So got then see that? It's like a sus2, a C sus2. Then we went and that's like a G with a B in the bass. What it is, that B right here, open D. See that? With that D right here, open G. So we got and then you can actually open that after you come off of that B, you can open it to the A. See, like this. See that? Okay, so that's the D, D-A-D. You have the C, G, D. Then the B, G, D. Then open A, G, and D. Okay, then the move is starting with that's a D7 with the F sharp. Okay, that's the F sharp. And we're actually on the 9th fret. So a D7 with the F sharp. Okay. The next chord is it's a G with a B in the bass, in the root. See that's that B. Okay. Then we go to a F with an A in the bass. That's the A. And that's on the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to play a C with a G in it. See? That's just a C chord with a G. Then we play a F major 7. That's an F major 7. Then we're going to a G7 with a 13. G7 with a 13. And then I go to my, it's like a, it's honestly a F major 7, F major 7 chord, okay? And I'm adding a G to it. So that F major 7 with a G in the bass, and then a G13. See? Is that 13? See? G13 right here. F major 7 with a G, G13. So it sounds like. Okay, so the whole thing is. And that's just the first part of the song. Thank you, and hopefully we'll see you next time.